Hello, Facebook friends! I am Kimberly Joy B. Domingo, your gospel sharer for today. So let us reflect and have some realization of our gospel, Luke chapter 21, verse 5 to 11. So in the gospel, Jesus teaches us an important message on how there is an end to everything. So no matter how beautiful or appealing materials things may be, right? So Jesus said that the day of judgment is something that only God knows. So we should be more dedicated and keeping our faith in the Lord in the midst of persecution, false prophets, and temptations that will change and question our faith. So despite of many challenges and problems that we can encounter in everyday life, as long as we remain steadfast in our faith, let us remember that God will always be with us. So that's all for today's sharing. And don't forget to subscribe on Facebook PH YouTube channel. Download the Facebook app via Google Play Store or App Store.